Medellin, Colombia is the hotbed headquarters of some of Colombia's most notorious cartels. Yet in stark contrast, using Google Earth, I found a whimsical and bizarre place right in the middle of it all. Cerro Nutibara. Despite frequent muggings in the grounds surrounding it, I still wanted to go there to explore its ancient Paisa culture and then ride the cable car high above some of the most dangerous neighborhoods in the city for great views of Pablo Escobar's hometown. And you? Well, buckle up, you're coming along. Welcome to Sweller Than Dweller. Christmas Day and nothing's really open, we're going to take a little walk up Cerro Nutibara, a small mountain, well, hill, right in the center of town. But before you know it, we'll be up and down. So we're not going to stop there. We're going to hop on the cable car and ride it right up the side of the valley surrounding Medellin for even more spectacular views. So if you're ready, let's get started. Medellin, Colombia on Christmas Day. The only day you can walk down the street and there's not a car in sight. Guys, these streets are usually bustling. It's like a ghost town. Whoa, watch your step. This might just be the first time I've ever seen someone smiling while doing laundry. I'm not sure what the parking laws are here in Medellin, but with even the most relaxed laws, I think this guy is going to get a ticket. There it is. Now we just gotta navigate over there. Guys, I don't know what to make of this. Seriously guys, it's normally a challenge to just get across this street. Now, today, I'm just walking down the middle of it. Even the ice cream vendor is walking right down the middle of the road today. After 50 minutes of walking, we have made it to the base. Ah, gracias, amigo. Here we go. Instead of going straight up, you can meander slowly on some of the trails that wind around the hillside. Rising up just over 200 meters above the surrounding area, Nutibara is one of the 7 guardian hills of Medellin and has been declared a protected environmental area. Along the way, there's a little gym so you can get some exercise. When you reach the top of Nutibara, you'll find a replica of a small Paisa town. Paisa is the name given to a person who lives in the rural mountain areas of northern Colombia. Another option today was to climb Cerro Quitasol, which is a much larger venture. It's 1,200 meters elevation gain. And in this heat, I just couldn't do it, because at the end, you don't even reach an actual summit. Nutibara is pretty cool. El Restaurante Granero. What are we doing here? Well, we gotta fuel up with an enormous meal. Now on to the main course, bandeja concerto, which literally translates to tray with pork. Oh, but wait, there's so much more. We got pork, we got fries, we got arepa, we got rice, egg, salad, plantain, and let's not forget fresh lemonade. All this food for under $4.50. Are you kidding me? This pork is delicious. This salad has some kind of fruit, and I literally don't know what it is. It's small and round and looks to have some seeds inside. If anyone knows what this is, leave a comment. This is so much food. I think I'm gonna explode. These Colombians are hardcore. I'm a little bit slammed after that lunch, but we're hardcore. We're gonna continue on. We're gonna get on the metro and ride up the cable car to Santo Domingo for some great views. Let's do it. We're at San Antonio. We're gonna ride up to Esvido, then transfer to the cable car and head up to Santo Domingo. Hola, un oblito. Gracias. Hola, gracias. Now we got to transfer to the K line, which is the cable car. You can literally buy one ticket and ride these trams all day. And one ticket cost 50 cents.
Va para la Yunay, mija, va para la Yunay. Pilas para que me vaya bien cargadita para allá, mija.
Como me voy mafioso, yo me mantengo caliente.
I haven't got enough, so I transferred to another line. I don't even know what it's called. Let's see where it goes.
La vida de los mafiosos me conquista su misterio. La vida de los mafiosos me conquista su misterio.
Unos están en la cárcel y otros en el cementerio. Ahora sí, me volví mafiosa. Ya tengo más plata que el Banco Papá.
It is time for more food. Well, after that huge lunch, I didn't want anything huge for dinner, so I got a chorizo clásico. We've got salad, chicken, skewer, arepa with cheese on it, and some french fries hidden underneath. All this for $3.20. Oh, and don't forget, we've got an egg, apparently laid by the smallest chicken on earth. Remember how this morning, Christmas Day, started out kind of slow and quiet? Well, come evening, make no mistake, the party is still on, my friends. Next time on Sweller Van Dweller. Today, we're going to spend some time in one of Colombia's most underrated, off-the-radar towns. Welcome to Venecia, Colombia. Even the dogs take it easy in Venecia, Colombia. Definitely lifestyles of the rich and famous. This is absolutely delicious. You gotta love those crispy pork rinds. Blue Santa says, be nice. If you enjoyed that video, then you should watch this one next. And if you've seen that one, well then you should watch this one. And if you've watched them both, well then, you're one of my top subscribers. And I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.